Good morning, students. Now I am going to teach you 4th standard social science kingdoms of rivers part 2. In the ancient period, the kings were ruled in Tamil Nadu. Who are they? Yes, Cheras, Cholas, Pandyas and Pallavas. Cheras, Pandyas and Cholas are called as Moovendargal. Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas are called as Moovendargal. Already we learned about Cheras dynasty. Okay. Now I ask the question. What is the name of Cheras river? Yes, good. That is Poigai river. Okay. His flag, bow and arrow, capital was Vanji, river was Poigai, and his port was Tondi and Musri. Okay. Now we are going to learn about Chola's dynasty. Chola is one of the king of Moovendargal. He kept Urayur as their capital along the river Kaveri. Pattinapalai describes that Cholanadu is famous for rice. The Chola kingdom consists the district of Tiruchirappalli, Thanjavur, Pudukkottai, Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kudalur. The land of Cholas was fertile due to the river Kaveri. The greatest ruler among the Cholas was Karigala Cholan. The greatest ruler. Who? Among the Cholas? Yes, he was Karigala Cholan, who was also called a Karigala Peruvalathan. The greatest ruler among the Cholas was Karigala Cholan, who was also called Karigala Peruvalathan. He took the responsibility of a king at a very early age and ruled efficiently. When he was very young, he was captured by his enemies and imprisoned. The room in which he was arrested was set on fire. In this fire accident, his feet burned. So he was called as Karigalan. The Cheras and Pandyas together attacked Karigalan at Venni, Vagai, Parandalai. Okay. Finally, Chola defeated the two rulers there and was victorious. He captured Sri Lanka and brought the captives from there to build the term Kallanai across the river Kaveri. The term still stands erected even after 2000 years of its construction. Okay, you see this picture. This is a Kallanai dam. This Kallanai dam, even after 2000 years of its construction. Okay, yes. So, Chola's river Kaveri, capital Urayur and port Kaveri, Pumpattinam, and his flag tiger. Okay. One additional information. Kallanai was constructed by the Chola king Karigalan in the 2nd century. Kallanai was constructed by the Chola king Karigalan in the 2nd century. Okay, it is the world's oldest dam. still in use. Stones and lime mortar were used to construct it. Okay. So, Chola is one of the king of Movendargal. He consists the district of Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Pudukottai, Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kudalur. The Karigala Cholan, who was also called as Karigal Peruvalathan, he built the dam Kallanai across the river Kaveri. Now you understand. I hope you understand the Chola dynasty. Then River Kaveri, capital Urayur, port Kaveri Pumbattinam, flag tiger. See the flag. See the flag. It is a Chola's flag. Okay. What is the symbol? Yeah, that is a tiger. It is a tiger. So flag, Chola's flag. Okay. Next, we learn about Pandyas. Pandyas also one of the king of Movendargal. Pandya established their rule on the bank of Vaigai with Madurai as their capital. The Asian Pandya country consists of Madurai, Theni, Tindukkal, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram. Madurai remained as the most popular city of Sangam period. Muttamil Sangam were held in Madurai under the support of Pandyas. The third Tamil Sangam was held in Madurai. The most famous kings were Talayalanganathu Seravendra Pandiya Nedunjeliyan and Pandiya Nedunjeliyan of Silappatikaram. When Pandiya Nedunjeliyan was a young boy, he fought a battle at Talayananganam against Cheras, Cholas and feudal lords. Feudal lords, what is the meaning of feudal lord? Yes, that is Kurunila Mannargal. Feudal lords means Kurunila Mannargal. Okay. He defeated the combined force. Therefore, he got the title Talayananganathu Seravendra Pandiya Nedunjeliyan. Okay. So, Madurai, it's a popular city of Sangam period. It's a famous for pearls. Third Tamil Sangam held at Madurai. Famous kings were Talayananganathu Seravendra Pandiya Nedunjeliyan. Okay. Next, he fought a battle at Talayananganam against Cheras, Cholas and feudal lords. So, he defeated the combined force. Therefore, he got the title Talayananganathu Seravendra Pandiya Nedunjeliyan. Okay. Next, Silappatikaram. During the rule of Pandiya Nedunjeliyan, he happened to prosecute Kovalan for theft and gave death sentence. Kovalan's wife Kannagi advocated to prove her husband's innocence. So, when the king realized the truth, he said, Yano Arasan, Yano Kalvan, and died by falling down from his throne. Immediately, his wife Kopperandevi also sacrificed her life out of shock. The administrative systems of the Pandyas was depicted by Mankudi Marudanar of Madurai, Kanchi. So, Pandyas, river, Vaigai, capital, Madurai, port, Kurkai and flag, fish. See, The flag of Pandya? Fish. Okay. So there are three kingdoms of rivers. One is Chera, Chola and Pandyas. Chera, river Poigai, capital Vanji and port Tondi and Musri, flag bow and arrow. And Cholas, river Kaveri, capital Urayur, port Kaveri Pumbatinam, flag tiger. And Pandya, river Vaigai, port Korkai, capital Madurai, flag fish. Okay children, I hope you enjoy Chola's dynasty and Pandya's dynasty and learn about it. Thank you.